Hello everybody, Allison Rauch, Public Information Coordinator with Greer CPW, here to provide you the latest update on where we stand to restore service for our customers following Tropical Storm Helene. Right across from our customer service complex, you can see that there in the background over my shoulder, standing next to one of the very large trees that became uprooted and had to be cleaned up. I wanted to give you a different perspective since I've kind of been in the office for my last videos. But I have some great news to share with you. In my previous videos, I talked about our priority in getting the hospitals back on service. I shared with you in the earlier video that happened overnight. We also are now back online with our water and wastewater treatment plants. They had been operating on generators. They are now back up and running. And so our next priority is commercial and residential customers. Again, we follow getting the most number of customers back on as we can. So if we can get a whole neighborhood back on, we do that. But I wanted to share that we are getting very close, and we're very anxious. We're still making improvements to our system to get you all back up. We appreciate your patience, appreciate your feedback about the trees down in our area. But again, our wastewater and water filter plants are back online. They are not using a generator. Everything is functioning like it should. And we just want to encourage you all to continue staying off the road. Look for our crews, and we will provide a next update when we can. But thanks for your patience. We're getting very close. We'll hopefully have some more positive updates for you all very soon as we work to restore commercial and residential customers next. Thank you all.